Moi, Shantipriya.
Ceremony in this festival. I just hope that my dancing doesn't bring you I've never danced like this before, so I'm learning as I go, and I hope that I don't affect the team.
Why you are happy?
I'm very happy, yes.
What is your name?
Matthew. My name is Matthew.
Again, you came to Halloween.
Yeah, I hope to come again to be here, yes.
Why you in this village?
I'm here because my friend Shanti from Hyderabad Central University, who is from here, invited me to come to her home, meet her family, and come
Thank you. Again, you come to in this village.
Yes, we came yesterday. We had to came today.
Where you come to in this place? Where you come to in this place?
I stay at Shantipriya's house with her family. I studied in Hyderabad, so she asked me to come home with her after the semester, and then I'm very happy.
Your friend's name? Your friend's name?
Sorry?
Your friend's name?